Yo guys, so watch this video to the end to see how I flipped $3 to $2,500. All right, so in this video I've documented everything, how I flipped the account from $3 to $2,500. So if you want to know or learn how to do account flipping, watch the video to the end to see how it's done. It's very simple, pretty simple. You too can do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. What's up, traders? The image is right here. You can see we are running deep profit with just $3. We are running about $400 in profit. We are running about $400 in profit with just $3. How is that possible? Yeah, I know you'll be wondering, you'll be asking, you will want to ask this question: how are you doing this? How is it possible to make $400 with just $3? In fact, the question will be, how is that possible to open so many positions with just $3? Yeah. So in this video, if you watch it to the end, I will explain how what I did differently, the secret behind how to have to make up to sorry to use a very small amount to open so many positions with smaller amounts. Okay, I'll tell you guys what happened and how uh I have just $3 running. Okay, how I have only $3 running. All right, the image is right here, guys. If you're new or you're seeing my video for the first time and you've not subscribed, please smash the subscribe button, subscribe, join the free Telegram channel, like the video, drop some good comments, guys. Drop some good comments, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to share this video with friends. Okay, so I will show you guys. I gave this thing now to my VIP, and more reason why you should join the VIP. And also, if you want to learn my strategy, with my strategy, you don't even need big amounts of money. If you want to learn my strategy, check the description box to chat me up via WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so VIX 75, it's in a downtrend. That's why you see it's dancing, doing all this, it's consolidating around this area because it's in a downtrend. This is a down, sorry, it's in an uptrend. All right, this is an uptrend. So that's why you see it's dancing around. It's giving me tough time. It doesn't want to drop already for me to make more money. Okay, I'm looking at making like over $1,000 if market gets to this point, this red line here. That's where my target will be. All right, so we just smash TP1 right there where you have that red line, and TP2 somewhere here. It's always somewhere here. So our last final TP somewhere down this point. So I'm looking at smashing TP there, and we're definitely gonna smash our TP. So we are in an uptrend. Let me go to my 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, let me delete everything out. I'll take my time to explain everything about this video, everything you need to know about this strategy, or why I opened, how I could open so many positions with just $3. Okay, with just $3. Now look at this. You're seeing an uptrend. You're seeing an uptrend right here. But if you move down to daily time frame, you are seeing a downtrend. That is, which is we're having something like a correction, a pullback. Market is going down like this. The market is coming out to take out all the liquidity around this zone. Then it will come down. As it's coming down, it will never come down below this level again. Though it's a probability, but I don't see the possibility of this market coming down, this VIX 75 coming down to this point or below this point just now from where it's coming down from. Okay, so you can see now on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, market is moving like this, moving like this. I waited for market to come back to this point for days, so many days, guys. Right from where market was around this level, I waited for market to come back to this point for weeks, like 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. With my market didn't come to my POI, so I waited for it. I knew market would get to this point, not until this morning. Okay, so now after knowing that, okay, market is likely coming back to a key zone. This zone here is a very strong zone on the chart. Okay, It's a very strong zone. This is a strong supply level on this our chart. Okay, so on the 4 hours time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, we want to look at this other side. On the 4 hours time frame, we want to look at this other side. We can see that we have so many rejections around this zone. We have like some rejections around this zone, and here you can see there was no candlestick on the 4 hours time frame. It was just rejection, which means that there's a serious pressure here. The big guys around this level, this is a supply zone, so there's a serious pressure around this zone, and market is likely to respect this level and drop. Okay, market is likely to respect this level and drop. So yeah, knowing that alone, this is a key supply zone, we know that markets will be going up to this point and drop. And apart from that, this plays a very strong level where market has been kissing from both from up and down. You see, market kiss this zone from up, kiss from up, kiss from below. Market kissed those places from up and below from up 2 times here. Okay, so that makes this level a very strong level. That makes it a very strong level. If you keep going down, if you have price around that market around that level, so that's a strong zone. Okay, now if you want to do your supply, demand and supply, you go back to your left, go back to your left. You see we have a strong, massive, a strong move to the downside, strong move to the downside. We have more bearish candlestick to the downside. All right, this shows that there's a massive structure, I mean pressure here, strong pressure around this level. The pressure is high here. Okay, so this is our supply zone. This is our supply zone. Okay, so now this is a resistance, this is a supply. This we have the another sign, which is as a supply. We see market moving very strong, more bearish candlestick all the way down. This is a strong zone on the charts, right? Then market coming back to that point again. Market coming back to that point again. I knew markets will respect this level. There's no how markets will not respect this level before going going up again. All right. So you might be seeing it as an uptrend, but I know, yeah, it's an uptrend, but for this very moment now, markets will be going down. Okay. All right. I've given you some reasons why I took the trade. Now another thing is that we had a structure here. We had a key supply around this level. Market did not respect the supply, did not respect this other supply. Market broke all the supplies. Even this other one, market did not respect. So market went up for quite a long time, and it's time for market to come down a bit because whatever goes up comes down, right? So market has been going up. This did not respect this zone, not respect this zone, and did not respect this zone. So around this level, since yesterday, I've been looking to sell bits, did not give me good confirmation, not until today. All right. So since market has been failing, it has failed to respect other zone below that it just left, broke out from. It's likely to respect this other one because it has gone far, way too much, way too much. Okay. So that's another reason I know that markets will want to come back. Then as it's coming back, we have imbalance. We have imbalance here. You can see all these ones. Markets might want to fill up all this imbalance, right? Before going up again. Have to balance before going up again. All this place, it might want to close out right before going up again. So that's another idea. So we have so many reasons why I took the trade. Now on the higher time frame, on the 30 minutes time frame, in the 30 minutes time frame, or was it on the 15 minutes time frame? So on the 15 minutes time frame, I saw this candlestick. I saw this candlestick. Market has given us a particular model inside this level that I know only my students can tell. So around this zone, markets went up to this point. I was looking to sell around this level, went up to this point. Then once I saw this reversal candlestick, this three candlestick formation, I know the markets will be going down. So I opened positions here and I gave to my VIP guys to it as well. So market has been dancing, was dancing till we went all the way down. Now you want to know why I how we sorry how I'm I'm using $3 to make $400. How I opened so many positions with just $3. Okay, so before I tell you that, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video. I'll give you just few seconds. I'll give you 10 seconds. Smash the subscribe button, like this video, click on the post notification button so that whenever I drop another video, you watch and learn. Okay, so now we I had like $40. So market was I entered crash 1,000, and I was buying crash 1,000. Okay, I opened like two lot size on crash 1,000. Okay, and when I opened two lot size on crash 1,000, it was in profit before I saw this setup. Before I saw this setup, this VIX 75 setup, so I decided to open so many positions on the VIX 75. So the secret about you see why we open so many positions is because if market start going against you, when market start going against you, it will, know, um if it's going against you, if you open so many positions, it will start closing those small position one by one before it gets to where it will close everything. But if you open so many just two or three position with big lot size, when market start going against you, it will close everything completely. I'm giving you my secret. It will close everything completely and leave you with nothing. But if you open so many position, it might be closing one by one, then one by one till it's likely it might reverse from that entry from that level and start going down. Right, it might reverse from there and start going down. So now when I was on the crash 1,000 buy, the crash spiked, and when the crash spiked, it took so much from me. So the good thing is that I was in profit already on this other one. I was already in profit on this other one. So when the spike happened, I was in profit here. So I was on minus $22. If you check my VIP, updated them. I was on minus $22. So I was scared. I had to close three positions. Was it three or four positions of this VIX 75 so that I have something to trade in case market want to go start going against me. So I was on minus $22. I was on minus $22. So I opened more. I closed some position, like four positions here, and that's why you're seeing $3. So that's it. That's just what it is. Okay, it's not as if I had just $3 and I opened so many positions, but I've used $11 to make about 200 something dollars. I've used $70 to make about 800 something dollars, and some other um smaller amounts like that. So that's what happened literally. Okay, so I know you guys were thinking, how did this guy do this? How did he do this? So I don't know, it might be possible to open with just $3 so many positions like that, but I'm not sure. It's not certain. I'm not sure. It's not possible. So that's what happened, guys. Okay. Yo. All right. So that's it, guys. I've told you my secrets, and I hope you smash the like button and you subscribe. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. I've been giving signal, and for days now, we've been winning most of our trades for days now. So make sure you join the free Telegram channel and join the VIP, join the academy. The academy is on now, right now. We're about to start October batch, so don't miss it, guys. Always join, because once you enroll, just watching my videos alone could change your life for real. If you check, I have so many um people dropping their testimony about my academy. Okay, so I'll be there live on Zoom. Our call, our session is always on Zoom. Okay, Then I'll record everything after our class and send to you guys so that you can go back to them and read, or sorry, and watch them to have better understanding, to have good understanding. And also I give assignments and some stuff for you to do to to engage you so that you don't feel left out. All right, so that's it, guys. The message is right here.